class 4 GK. Okay, let's start class 4 GK. Okay, now today we'll do this lesson 5. This we have done previous day, Indian heritage, that is important places of India. Now see, this was your homework. Everyone, please do this and submit. This was your homework. I have received few homework. Please kindly do your homework. This is a request to you all. Okay, now today we'll do lesson 5. Write the date 7/5. The pride that India is. The pride that India is. Now see, India takes pride for its beautiful and magnificent architecture. Okay, India is proud for all these beautiful buildings, beautiful buildings. Now, India takes pride for its. India is proud for its beautiful and magnificent architecture. Okay, architecture, buildings, how it is constructed. Okay, for this India is very much proud. These monuments were built by great rulers. Now, these monuments are built by great rulers of early time. Okay, now let's start. India, my pride and joy. Okay, now this is, see the temple here. The birthplace of Gautam Buddha in Lumbini. This is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, and it is in Lumbini. Okay, his original name was Siddharth. Gautam Buddha's original name was Siddharth. His mother's name was Queen Maya. This is a temple of Gautam Buddha and it is in Lumbini. His original name was Siddharth. Next, see this one. This is a Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is at Agra district. It is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, it is in Fatehpur Sikri. It is Agra district and it is state of Uttar Pradesh. This historical city was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. This city was constructed by the Mughal Emperor. Who was the Mughal Emperor? The Mughal Emperor Akbar. Akbar was a famous Mughal Emperor. Everyone knows Akbar. When you will read history, you will know about Akbar. So this was built by Akbar, Fatehpur Sikri. Next, this is a church. See Cathedral Church at Old Goa. It is in Old Goa, is one of the largest and oldest church in India. It is in Old Goa and is one of the largest, one of the largest and famous. Okay, largest and the oldest church, largest house and oldest church in India. The church houses a famous bell. Okay, it has a famous bell and is often referred to as the golden bell. It has a famous bell and it is referred as the golden bell. This cathedral also has the famous cross of miracle. This cathedral, see Cathedral Church, it also has the famous cross, the cross which Jesus has. Have you seen the cross where Jesus was put stuck? So it also has the cross of miracles. It is called the cross of miracles. This church has. Now next is Vrindavan. See the temple in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is the town in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so this is a temple. This is a temple. Okay, now see it of Uttar Pradesh, India. Now, so it is the site of an ancient forest, which is believed to be the place where Lord Krishna spent his childhood days. Okay, now see, Vrindavan is a town in Mathura district. So it is a town where in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh. Now, India. It is the site of an ancient forest. This place was a forest. It has been cleared. Now a city has been named, which is believed to be the birthplace, where Lord Krishna spent his childhood days. Okay, it is believed that where Lord Krishna spent his childhood days. Clear? So how many monuments? See. So where 1, 2, 3, 4. First is Lumbini, Gautam Buddha's temple. Next is Fatehpur Sikri, built by Akbar. Next is See Cathedral Church. It is in Goa, largest and the oldest church. Next is a temple. Okay, in Vrindavan, and that is in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh, and it is remembered why? Because of it was the childhood place of Lord Krishna. So 4 things you have learned today. 4 temples. Now see, it is a town This one, last one is a town, name of a town. Okay, so last one is a name of a town. See, Vrindavan is the name of it's a town in Mathura district. Town, a new town which has been constructed. It was a forest. It was cleared, and this place was constructed. Vrindavan. It is in Mathura district of Uttar Pradesh, and it is said that Lord Krishna spent his childhood days in Vrindavan. Okay. Now see. So 4 things. We should take care of our monuments and architectures because they are the pride and heritage of India. We should never deface or spoil them. We should never spoil them or break them. We should never deface or spoil them. We should never break them or spoil it because they are our heritage. Okay, clear for today? This much. So this you will know. You have to just know the facts of this temple, this temple, this temple, and this is a name of a town which is clear, which was made by clearing a forest. And this town name is Vrindavan. And Vrindavan is a childhood place. It's a place of Lord Krishna where Lord Krishna spent his childhood days. Okay, so these 4 things we learn. Gautam Buddha's temple, Lumbini, Fatehpur Sikri built by Akbar. Sea Cathedral Church, oldest and the largest church. It is in Old Goa, and Vrindavan is a town which is in Mathura district, and it is a childhood place of Lord Krishna. Finish for today. This much. Okay, you just know it. Thank you.